What's up guys, Eric with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be doing an install on Sam's ND Miata. You see behind me, we're going to be doing an oil cap, a gas cap, a brake master cap, a washer fluid cap, and potentially some AC caps. Let's get to the install. All right, so looking at the engine bay, we have our washer fluid cap right there. We have a dipstick right there. Oh yeah, we're also doing a dipstick, forgot about that. Dipstick, oil cap, brake cap, and then obviously the gas cap is on either one of those sides of the car. So first off, we're gonna take off this cap and we're gonna pull out the dipstick. All right, so for the dipstick, which is probably one of the hardest parts to install here, again, pretty simple overall though, we're going to have to, let's focus on that. We're gonna have to punch that little pin out. So we're gonna go get a punch and a hammer, and then we're gonna punch that pin this way, and then we're probably gonna pull it the rest of the way out or punch it all the way through. You're also probably gonna wanna hold on to the dipstick like so in a vise or something similar. You can potentially use like a piece of wood and then set it like right here and then punch there. Anyways, we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you what it looks like when these two pieces are apart. All right, so with the pin removed, which I have here, and needle nose pliers, we have a dipstick, and we're gonna go install our adapter real quick, and I'll show you how to do that briefly. Dipstick's all installed. I'm gonna throw it in there like so. Bam, dipstick installed. So we now have the oil cap. There is the cap itself, and then we have the adapter. On the bottom side, we're gonna put the set screw, and we're gonna thread it all the way in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're gonna go all the way in with going to the right. We're then going to thread the adapter all the way on. We're going to back off the set screw, so we're actually going to loosen the set screw into the adapter. We're then going to install the cap. So we're going to, we see right now that the logo is facing to the right of the car. We're going to work on getting the logo to the front. So we want it to go like this, or we could do it that way, I guess, since it goes both ways. So we're going to tighten the set screw. We're going to back this off basically 90 degrees. We're going to loosen it again, which sets the adapter and the cap as one. And we're gonna try this again. So we're getting pretty close. We're gonna go throw on the O-ring so that it kind of sits a little bit better, and then fine tune from there. All right guys, so after a little bit of finagling, we have the oil cap in the correct orientation that Sam would like. We're gonna move on to the brake master cap. I'm gonna just twist this just a little bit this way. Zoom in real nice like. We're gonna make sure that the brake cap is all the way tight. It is. We're then going to put this right on top. I'm assuming you want it this way as well. Cool. We're then going to push it down a little bit, take it off the car so that we're not pushing a bunch of force there. And we're basically going to push the brake cap, and you'll kind of hear an audible click, but I'm basically just pushing the cap into the cap cover. And there you go, it becomes part of the cap. You can actually see some tangs here and here. Those are actually showing, which means it's tight. We're then gonna put it back on, like so. And then this cap is not coming off. It's part of your brake master cap at this point. We're gonna move around to the side of the car. Actually, no, we're gonna do the wash fluid before I forget. Wash fluid cap's real easy. Just gonna pull this off. All right, so that's off. We're gonna throw this guy on. You'll hear an audible click, and then it's installed. Finally, we are moving to the gas cap. Now, if you want to put the logo on upside down, be my guest, but I'm going to put it on right side up. We're going to go like that. We're going to pull it off the car. Then we're going to push it on. Now, you may or may not hear a click here. This one's very gentle, I guess, as far as clicks go. But basically just massage this guy in. You'll see that there's 2 tangs here and 2 tangs there. After that, you can make sure that this freely spins. Put it back on. Gas cap installed.